Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kibana on VPS for ELK stack, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your virtual private server is running and accessible. Open your preferred terminal or command prompt. Connect to your VPS using SSH. Use the command SSH username at your _VPS_IP. Replace username with your actual VPS username. Replace your _VPS_IP with the IP address of your VPS. Once connected, update your package index. Execute the command sudo apt update. Next, install the required dependencies for the ELK stack. Run sudo apt install openjdk11 jdk. Now, download and install Elasticsearch. You can do this by running get https://artifacts.elastic.co/download/elasticsearch/elasticsearch, replaced 7.x.x with the latest version number. Install Elasticsearch using the command sudo dpkgi elasticsearch 7.x.x amd64.deb. After installation, start the Elasticsearch service. Use the command sudo system to start Elasticsearch. To enable Elasticsearch to start on boot, run sudo system to enable Elasticsearch. Now, install Kibana. Download the Kibana package using get https://artifacts.elastic.co/download/kibana/kibana. Install Kibana with sudo dpkgi kibana 7.x.x amd64.deb. Start the Kibana service using sudo system to start Kibana. To enable it at boot, execute sudo system to enable Kibana. Now, access Kibana through your web browser. Open a web browser and enter your VPS IP followed by port 5601. For example, http://your_VPS_IP 5601. You should see the Kibana login page. Use the default credentials if prompted. The default username is Elastic and the password should have been set during the Elasticsearch installation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.